This house is now for sale. All in. What's this? Alright, good afternoon everyone. My name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell button to keep you updated in our latest update. And for today's video, I am here right now at Antel Grand Village, dito mismo sa Grand Oak Ridge, featuring you with this ready for occupancy Daniela model. It's a fully furnished house, all in. Continue watching this video from the start and do not skip the ads. Thank you so much. See you. Alright, good afternoon everyone. My name is Ray Miliada at kayo na inunood dito sa aking live video for this our ready for occupancy Daniela model house. Wow. This house is a fully furnished with a lot area of 125 square meters and with a floor area of 130.62 square meters. It has 4 rooms with 3 toilet and bath and a car garage. Wow. So it has a large lot and of course your private septic tank is dito po sa iyong pinaka-car garage. You have this area. I think this one is a 4 meters setback wherein later on you can do extension and improvement ng inyo pong house. And what makes this very good, guys, because this house is now for sale, no? Namatay na yung ibang mga halaman because pinutol yung ibang mga ugat, but yung pinaka main vine niya is buhay pa. Well, samahan niyo po ako, guys, at pasukin natin sa loob ng house. Okay, so ang gaganda na talaga ng mga bahay dito sa Antel Grand Village. Lalo na ito ang ating mga dress units, guys. Alright. Okay, samahan niyo pa ako. So, upon entering the house, you have this porch. Wherein, you have also a large landscape area that later on, pwede niyo siyang lagyan ng mga improvements. Wow, look at the facade. It's a Victorian house. It's a Daniela. It's a Spanish inspired house. Okay, so upon entering the house, you will welcome this very large main door. Actually, guys, this house po is for sale, all in, including all the furnitures. But before we hand over the keys, so we will do the punch listing para po the house will be more livable and maayos at maganda. Alright, so this is your ground floor area, which is you have the 60 by 60 floor tiles. So this is your dining area and then the living area, and this is your kitchen's area. Wow, guys, look at this. It's nice, it's massive. Actually po, pwede nyo siyang gayahin, no? The design inside the house para po may idea kayo kung ano po yung kulay na mas gusto ninyo and the finish na gusto ninyo po sa inyong units. And of course, the built-in cabinets, ganyan na siya. And even our ceiling, ganyan na rin siya. So, this is the actual turnover house. And kasi model house po natin ito, that's why it has a split type aircon and with the furnitures. Okay, so this is your living area and the dining area. And you have this island bar. And dito po sa ground floor, meron kang isang office area, which is this one. Alright. It's nice, no? And of course, you have this common CR dito po sa ground floor. So, aside from this service area, meron ka pang wash area dito po sa pinaka-likod ng house. Samahan niyo po, check natin. Wow! So, you have the 2 meter setback wherein later on, pwedeng siyang i-improve yung inyo pong bahay. And, ang pinaka-property boundary is up to this wall. Okay, hanggang doon sa wall na orange na yun, guys. So, pwede nyo siyang gayahin yung ginawa ng kabilang bahay po para meron kayong idea din. Then, magagamit nyo rin siya later on. Actually, guys, if you have 100 square meters dito po sa Antel Grand Village, so, Grand Oak Ridge, pwede kayong mag-upgrade nitong Daniela model unit. So ang gagawin lang po natin, kung bayad na po yung inyong lote, then house na lang po yung inyo pong ilo-loan sa atin. But itutour ko muna kayo ngayon guys dito sa pinakaloob ng bahay. Wow, ganda. Look at this, no? Oh, no? Italian ng dating. Ganda. Wow, nakita niyo yung may-ari guys? Ayun siya. Kaway naman dyan. Alright. So, akit tayo sa itaas, no? Sa second floor. So, makikita niyo po, no? Yung atin pong hagdanan is very wide. This is a 1 meter. And then, ang ating kisame is ganito na siya. At yung ating chandelier is ganyan siya. And this is your steps. This is a wood plank. So, oro, plata, mata. It's oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. And this is oro. Wow, guys. Nasa second floor na po tayo. So, dito po sa second floor, you will welcome this very huge rooms and very nice design. Okay, let's check the bedroom one. So, this is the bedroom one. Wow. Yung ating phone flooring is ganito na po siya. And you have split type aircon. Ayan. You know, yung bahay na ito is meron talaga siyang access sa likod, no? Yung ating service area. Wow. And it has a built-in cabinet. Look at this. Ayan. Alright. We are selling this house na po. So, if you are looking for a ready for occupancy, well, i-recommend namin itong house na ito. So, this is the second room. So, anything or everything inside the house is included in the sale na po. Ang ganda. So, pwede nyo siyang, kung may bahay na kayo existing, at meron kayong renovation, at least, dito sa video na ito guys, is makakakuha kayo ng idea ng mga bahay na design. Kasi po itong houses natin, is dinesign po ito ng mga expert, architects, and engineers. So, this is the common CR sa itaas. Wow. So, to recap this house, so it has 3 rooms, 3 toilet and bath, and an office sa baba. Ayan po. Okay, so dito tayo sa master's bed. So this is the master's bed. Mapapansin nyo lang na wala tayong mga pintuan, no? Because this is a model house. But kung bibili po tayo ng house, then kung may lote na kayo dito, then mag-upgrade tayo ng house. So may mga pinto po siya, guys. So this is the master's bedroom. Wow, nice, no? It's nice. Ating kisame, then it has a cabinet. Then dito sa area na ito guys is meron ka pang toilet and bath. Look at this. It's very nice. And meron ka ditong sariling CR dito sa master's bedroom. Wow. Okay. And then yung kisame mo inakaganito na po. Tulad dito, ang gandang tingnan, no? So, sabi dito umupo. No? Subukan natin umupo dito, guys. So, kaya din. So, ang actually po dito, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng tempered glass. Isara nyo siya. Then, alam nyo ba yung mga matanda na may mga sakit, guys? Well, dito sila nagpapainit. No? Ginagawa nilang sauna area yan. Although, shower area siya. Pero pwede mo siyang gawing kung sa may sauna area po. So, just the idea lang. In case wala kayong area for sauna area. And what makes this different also and nice because meron kang sariling balcony. Look at this. Di ba? Nice. Wow. At mafe-feel mo yung lakas ng hangin. Dito po sa Antel Grand Hills. Mahangin dito guys. Ayan, sorry. Okay. Alright. Now, so if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button to make you updated in our latest update dito po sa Antel Grand Village and Anyana. And if you are looking also a property near Manila, well, this Antel Grand Village is just 15 to 20 minutes driving away via Cavitex going to Manila area. And of course, we have a good news today because from Cavitex Toll to Noveleta, yung kalsada na yun guys is ongoing na siyang ginagawa. Well, that is a very good move by the government of Noveleta para po mas accessible, mas mabilis puntahan ng mga negosyante ang area na ito. And of course, going to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, napakalapit lang talaga niya guys. Kaya this area, and also in case of flood, no, this area is a flood free. At ang ating master planner dito is the Palafox and Associates. Alam niyo naman si Palafox, no? Very kilala siya in terms sa urban planner. Alright, so thank you so much po and see you in my next video. So if you are interested with this unit, leave a message and comment or email me or message me in my WhatsApp. And also we have lot only pa dito sa Antel Grand Village. And of course, welcome dito sa lahat ng engineers, contractors, and architect. Pwede dito magpagawa ng sariling design. Alright, thank you so much and God bless us all.